Hello and welcome to Sir Excel's Expense Tracker Excel template. In this video we're going to talk about how to use the expense tracker in the Excel template. You can analyze and budget your expenses and also get a proper analysis of expense type breakdown and actual versus expected of your expenses. Start by entering your expense types in this place. Later on, start entering your data into this database section. You can choose your expense type from the drop-down list. After you budget your expense, you can input the actual expense, and then later on you can monitor your expenses in this place. You can have a date filter to have a specific month's analysis, or you can have all data. To have a proper month's analysis, all you have to do is select the month and then the year. If there are no data for that month, nothing will be displayed. If you would like to have a general analysis, all you have to do is choose all data from the drop-down and you will have your analysis in this section. The charts are dynamic, so they will also reflect according to your choice in here. You will be able to see your expense type breakdown, also actual versus expected of your expenses. I hope this video was informative enough, and thanks for watching.